Best Midsize Sports Sedans for 2024 Acura Integra Type S. In the dynamic and competitive segment of midsize sports sedans, the 2024 Acura Integra Type S is making a significant mark with its combination of performance, luxury, and advanced technology. Reviving a beloved nameplate, Acura has infused the Integra Type S with modern engineering and a focus on delivering a thrilling driving experience without sacrificing comfort and sophistication. At the heart of the 2024 Acura Integra Type S is a high-output 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-four engine, producing an exhilarating 320 horsepower and 310 lb-ft of torque. This engine, paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, emphasizes the driving purist's delight, providing a direct and engaging connection to the car. Acura's innovative front-wheel drive system, enhanced by a limited-slip differential, ensures superb traction and dynamic handling, propelling the Integra Type S from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. The 2024 Integra Type S is not just about raw power, its handling and agility are equally impressive. The sport-tuned suspension, adaptive dampers, and precise steering system deliver a balanced ride, allowing for sharp cornering and stability at high speeds. Multiple driving modes, including Comfort, Sport, and Sport Plus, enable drivers to tailor the car's dynamics to their preferences, ensuring a versatile driving experience suitable for both everyday commuting and spirited driving. Visually, the 2024 Integra Type S combines aggressive styling with refined aesthetics. Its sleek, aerodynamic design features a bold front fascia, jewel-eye LED headlights, and a distinctive diamond pentagon grille. The sporty character is further highlighted by 19-inch alloy wheels, quad exhaust outlets, and exclusive Type S badging, all contributing to its assertive stance on the road. Inside, the Integra Type S offers a premium and technologically advanced cabin. High-quality materials such as leather and Alcantara upholstery, aluminum trim, and ambient lighting create an upscale atmosphere. The cockpit is designed with the driver in mind, featuring sport seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and a 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster. The AcuraLink infotainment system, with a 9-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium ELS Studio 3D sound system, ensures seamless connectivity and entertainment. Safety and driver assistance features in the 2024 Integra Type S are comprehensive. Acura's suite of safety technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a surround view camera system, provides peace of mind and enhances driving confidence. In conclusion, the 2024 Acura Integra Type S sets a new benchmark for performance and luxury in the midsize sports sedan segment. With its powerful engine, agile handling, and upscale amenities, the Integra Type S offers a driving experience that is both exhilarating and refined. Whether navigating urban environments or enjoying open-road adventures, the Integra Type S promises an unforgettable journey for drivers and passengers alike.